Hey folks, 5 Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is put a new air filter in my John Deere E180. So what you're going to need is your new air filter and a damp cloth. Pop open the hood. Unscrew both screws. Lift the air filter cover off. And there's the old air filter. You can see it's starting to get dirty. This has 78.9 hours on it, so we're going to get this swapped out. So you're going to pull it up on the front and pull it straight out, just like that. And there's the Briggs & Stratton part number, 593435-6833320. So before you put your new air filter in, we're going to clean this down with a damp microfiber cloth, and also clean the underside of your cover. Compare your filters to make sure they're the same size, which they are. So to install this, as you can see the hole right there, you're going to push it in towards the hole and you're going to push down just like that. So we're going to reinstall the cover. Put it on like that, and you're going to screw these both down tightly, but don't over tighten. Actually, under the hood it has your service intervals here, and John Deere actually suggests to replace it every year, every 50 or up to 100 hours depending on your conditions as far as dust and whatnot. So it's nice to have this. And we can close the hood. And just taking a look at the old air filter, it's actually not too bad. It's a little dusty and whatnot on the foam, but the filter element is actually fairly clean, but they're cheap to replace. So the next video is going to be replacing the fuel filter. The video after that is swapping out the spark plugs, and last but not least, putting a new fuel pump on. It doesn't need it, but it came in the kit, so we're going to swap it out anyways. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or whatnot, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.